is there a way to get female flowers on my squash plant? Last year, all but a few were males, and this year it seems to be happening again. And this is Grant in Memphis, Tennessee. So, a lot of male flowers, no female flowers.
This may be our most common cucurbit question, do you think?
I think so.
Yeah.
I would agree with that.
Yeah.
I would agree.
So first off, Grant's in great shape because he already knows that you get both male and female flowers from cucurbits. So I mean, it's a great place to begin. Early in the season, it's common for cucurbits to produce male flowers before they really start bringing on female flowers.
Right. Because the male flowers are going to, of course, have the pollen needed to.
Yeah. We don't want to go to all the bother to have female flowers if we're not going to have pollen available to pollinate those fruit.
Okay.
So that's kind of an early season thing to think about. And then we also want to think about the fact that later in the season, when the plants are actively growing, if there's stress, be it moisture, heat, when those plants get stressed, they may also produce fewer female flowers. And so there's, make sure that, we're irrigating, that we're properly, managing nutrition, and having a healthy, well-performing plant can be a way to, bring that into balance.
Gotcha.
I'll throw in one more geeky thing.
Okay, come on. We like geeky things.
All right.
Come on.
So it's more common in cucumbers, right? But they're in the cucurbit family. So you can purchase cultivars that have been selected to just have female flowers, right? So they're called Gynoecious, and they only produce female flowers. Gynoecious Parthenocarpic.
Parthenocarpic. There it is. The geeky term.
Yeah.
Geeky term for the day. How about that?
We use them a lot in enclosed environments,
okay,
like in greenhouses where we don't have to bring in bees to pollinate.
Gotcha.
They have all female flowers, and those flowers will produce fruit without pollination.
How about that? And most of your female blooms are larger anyway, so a lot of that energy needs to go to producing the bloom, and it has an ovary, of course, which is the fruit.
So the ovary, the bloom, all of that's more energy consumptive than the smaller male flowers.
Okay. All right. So no worry, right? You'll be fine.
Yeah, I mean, there's some things you can do, but also there's a little bit of patience that may be involved.
Thanks for watching. If you liked it, subscribe. We have hundreds of family plot videos for you to view.